Hello, welcome. Episode number 2 of the small change application of differentiation. So a metal cube expands uniformly if the side length of the cube increases from 3.00 centimeters to 3.01 centimeter. What is the approximate increase in its volume? So first of all, let's identify the parameter or the quantity, volume of a cube. So we need to state the volume of a cube, differentiate, and find the change. So let's begin with the data. So here we can let V be the volume, and we can let L be the length of the cube that we are looking for. If that's the case, let's pick the data from the question. The first thing, if the side of the length of the cube increases, the small change, we can get it from here. So we can say that our L itself, this is where it is. So that will be 3.0 centimeter. Then the small change is going to be 3.01 minus 3.00. And that will give us 0.01. Let me add a unit. So we can see that this is what we are going to have at a small change of the length. And this is going to be the length. What are we going to indicate? We are now going to think about the differentiation of what? The volume with respect to what? The L. What will be the volume? You know, volume of a cube is L cube, right? The volume of a cube is L cube, or L raised to the power 3. So fast forward, let's get our dA, dL to be equals to 3, come forward, 3L what? Squared. That is what we have. Then we can also say that if I have the change in the volume divided by the change in the L, that will be approximated to the dA, dL. So in this case, what are we looking for? We are looking for the approximate change in volume. So that means the change in volume will be equals to, or approximately, the dA. I think I'm using, it should be dV, right? It is the volume. So V. So dV over dL times the small change in what? L. We are multiplied by the delta L. So it will come here. So if you substitute your dV dL, where is it? 3L squared times delta L, 0.01. But we can also say that the L has been given in the beginning as what? 3. So if you substitute 3 raised to the power 2 times 0.01. In the case of this is going to be 9. So 9 times this will be 27. So to become 27, let me write it well. 27 times 1 over 100. 0.01 is 1 over 100. So 27 divided by 100 will be 0.27. So that becomes 0.27 as the value. But the small change, we are looking for change, right? We can see, therefore, increase in the volume of the cube is going to be 0.27, I think, centimeter, right? Centimeter cube. We are dealing with centimeter. Alright. So that will be the final increase in the volume. Don't forget the ending episode. I did with another shortcut method. You can also try that and see if you get the same answer that we have from here. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.